Alicia Baumgardner is set to go down against Bomir Yashin for WBO, WBA, IBF World Female Super Featherweight titles. And I'm pretty much confident this fight is going to be tremendous because the Korean boxer is significantly better than she looks. Alicia Baumgartner only suffered one loss in her career, but she can take a beating. She's got a very, very much rock solid chin. And I could say the same for the Korean boxer. Normally in Korea, boxing is not that popular, but it seems Bamira Shin is one of a kind. She's got good counters, good footwork, good movement, and a nasty, powerful right hand. On the other side, Baumgartner is having better footwork, better pacing, and she's looking stronger in some exchanges. I believe Baumgartner is going to edge Bomir Shin out, so I'm going with over 8.5. If I must pick a side, would go Alicia decision.